doubt it's a hollow play, but they'll clap anyway. My body is a cage that keeps me from dancing with the one I love, but my mind holds the key. You're standing next to me, my mind holds the key. I'm living in an age that calls darkness light. Though my language is dead, still the shapes fill my head. I'm living in an age whose name I don't know. Though the fear keeps me moving, still my heart beats so slow. My body is a cage that keeps me from dancing with the one I love, but my mind holds the key. You're standing next to me, my mind holds the key. My body is a we take what we're given. Just because you've forgotten, that don't mean you're forgiven. I'm living in an age